Just a video here to kind of note where everything's at, because I'm taking all these fuel lines and brake lines off. So we got the canister tubing here. That's the return, probably, that was on the fuel pump right there, which we're probably not going to need that. This was obviously the steering box. Here's the fuel supply line. All this stuff goes in the frame right here at the front, and it comes down into back here and then bolts to the back. The longer bolts holding all these straps in will back here on the back here, right here, 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 and here. So that's what those are for. This thing is welded on here, so I guess it must have broke off or something at some time, and they welded it on right in there. So I'm gonna probably take all that off and fix that. What else do I need to work on here? That's probably about it as far as noting stuff. And here's the shims. It's right front, back, right front, left front, back, and left front, right. Alright, that's all I wanted to do.